Hi everyone, welcome to my micro ATX based compact PC build video featuring Jonsbo Z20 full metal compact 20-liter PC case with integrated tempered glass front panel and a built-in handle. It can fit micro ITX motherboard, which is quite impressive. So without further ado, let's start with unboxing. As you can see, Jonsbo Z20 comes in traditional, so to say, packaging. Rather large, thick paper box. Inside the box we have a small package with the accessories and very tightly packed computer chassis itself. This case built out of 2 mm thick bended steel plate, which makes this construction very robust. So here we are. As you could see, the packaging also includes the small box with accessories. Inside that small package we have instruction with very nice explanation how to build it up and a warranty papers. We also have here small plastic case with different kind of screws and tighteners. Besides that, we also have here very well made graphic card support bracket, M-ATX power supply conversion bracket, HDD mounting brackets and a handle combination kit. All of these components made out of steel and of very good quality. Now let's take a closer look at the Jonsbo Z20 PC chassis itself. On the front panel it has on-off switch button, USB-A port, 3.5 mm combo audio in-out and USB-C port. Almost all sides of the chassis is nicely perforated, so there would be no problems with airflow in my opinion. On front it has tempered glass panel with some decorations. The back panel is also made out of steel and very well perforated. All mounting holes have a rubber washers installed. On the back it has special dedicated cable management, so to say channel, with specially designed cable limiting velcro straps pre-installed. Jonsbo Z20 comes with special dedicated bracket for installation of cooling radiator or case fans, which is also made out of steel. As I already have mentioned, Jonsbo Z20 is a compact 20 liters desktop chassis which could fit micro ATX motherboard. So I've decided to try it out with the Asus TUF series micro ATX motherboard and NVIDIA GeForce Asus made medium size graphic card. I'll start from mounting of the power supply bracket on the power supply unit. Now 140 mm case top exhaust fans with fan grills. Placing motherboard with processor cooler and 4 sticks of DDR5 RAM modules pre-installed. Now I'm mounting the rear exhaust case fan with a fan grill. Cable management is always a bit of a hassle, but it is much easier here with both panels removed. Now the power supply unit. Jonsbo Z20 has several possibilities of installing power system units of different sizes, so need to make sure that everything is in the right places. Now I'm going to mount top exhaust case fans installation. Jonsbo Z20 also comes with lots of good quality magnetic dust filters. In fact, it has filters pre-installed all over the chassis, on the front, on top and on the bottom. Now is the right time to fit the back plate of power system unit assembly. I'm using relatively small graphic card, which is around 20 cm long, but Jonsbo Z20 also can fit much larger, so-called full-size graphic cards. One just needs to use the support brackets. The cable management here is not a big issue, it is possible to tuck it all very nicely. As you can see here, the backside of the motherboard is very easy accessible. Last but not least, some RGB lights, just in case. I believe it could make it look better. Finally closing down the backplate. Last check before the first start up. Everything seems to be on the right places, including some decoration on power system unit and RGB light strip. Now I'm connecting display, power cord, keyboard and mouse. And power it all up. This system seems to work very fine. RGB light strip also look good. I have 5 case fans installed in the system, 4 of 140mm, 1 of 120mm, and 2 of 90mm smaller ones on processor cooler. In total 7 fans plus 2 fans pre-installed on graphic card and 1 more pre-installed on the power system unit. So all together that would make a 10. In general, this system runs very cool and silent, max around 70 Celsius. Noctua-made case fans are very effective with very low noise levels. Even under heavy load, when the system can produce some noise, most of that noise comes from the graphic card and the power system unit fans, not from the installed by me case fans. As you can see, Jonsplus Z20 is a small case with great possibilities. It is not a problem to install many different kind of high-end components, including so-called full-size graphic cards and extended cooling solutions. Not to mention different sizes of the power system unit and a special handle on top. Perforated steel plate design combined with compact 20 liters capacity and tempered glass front panel makes this PC case very attractive choice for many people, including me personally. I just have to add that building the system with Jonsplus Z20 PC case was a really fun and exciting thing to do. In my opinion, Jonsplus Z20 has very robust, sturdy, practical design and great look, which will never go out of fashion. I would absolutely recommend it to anyone who cares. And that will be all for now. Thank you for watching it. Thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I see you all next time.